talk about mosquitoes for a little bit. As you probably know, female mosquitoes need to acquire blood for egg development and reproduction. And to do this, they have a very, very complex mouth parts that you can see here. And among all those mouth parts, there is one that is particularly important, the labrum. The labrum is both the food canal, so it's the canal from which the blood is sucked during biting, but it's also the only sensory appendage that enters the skin. So it's the only stylet that bears neurons that you can see pointed out by those two arrows. The neurons are in two canals that run along all the labrum stylet. It is not well known how those neurons can sense stimuli during probing. It is known that they can sense blood, but it's not completely characterized. And also, we don't know exactly if they perceive mechanical stimuli and thermal stimuli. So my project is mainly about investigating the role of those labral sensory neurons in regulation of blood feeding for what concerns stimuli perception. And to do so, we could use a very complete data set, the Mosquito Cell Atlas, which is a single nucleus data set that we could use to select some gene markers for putative neuronal population in our tissue of interest. And we started by studying the mechanosensory neuronal population, which is the one that I'm interested most in. But mechanosensation for us will be a proxy to study the function of other neuronal population. We selected some of those markers and we tried to check their temporal expression during the adult life of a female mosquito, but also their spatial expression in the labrum. And it is particularly important to see if the markers that we selected are really associated with one single population or with more than one. And we want also to perform, and we are performing, a functional characterization of this neuron population through GCAM imaging on ex vivo tissues, on ex vivo stylets. And to do so, we built a device to provide mechanical and chemical stimuli to this tissue. So if you are interested in mosquitoes or vector-borne diseases and chemomechanosensation or microfluidic chambers, I hope to see you at my poster or to talk with you during lunch. Thank you.
Thank you, Irene.